All right, everyone, welcome and thank you very much for joining me in this video. I got a lot of things to cover in this video. I promise you. There is, well, I want to talk about certain various things. They're all very important. They're all things that are, it has to do with stocks that are well, and one is actually already up, and then there's another one that's up too. I'll explain what I mean. And then the third one of what I'm going to talk about in this video and review for you is an initial public offering that I've been waiting since 2021, guys. It's a great company, amazing company. I'm super excited. And the first IPO, I'm going to give a 4 out of 5, which I haven't given a 4 out of 5 in initial public offering review in a very, very long time. Not this year and probably not even all of 2023. So I'm very excited about this one. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I think I gave for Instacart. But anyways, I'm very excited. First of all, I want to talk about LUNR. Before we get to the IPO that I want to review for you guys, and it's going public next week, I want to first talk about ticker symbol LUNR. Intuitive Machines is doing something very historical, in my opinion. I don't get it. I mean, it hasn't happened since 1971, right? Or 1972. The United States has not gone to the moon in decades. They're about to try to go to the moon very soon, mid-February, right? And it's going to happen with Intuitive Machines. Ticker symbol LUNR, trading on the stock market right now. But you know what? Forget about the stock market. Let's just think about this mission. This is really big. This is really awesome. What just shocks me is that it's not getting mass media coverage at all, in any way, shape, or form.
What the man demanded that the chief, as a response to allegations. I'm sorry, I seem to have something stuck in my head.
It's like no one gives a crap about the U.S. going back to the moon in so many decades. Like, nobody does. It doesn't seem like it. I'm not seeing mass media coverage on this thing, and it's about to happen. Like, you know, I mean, the media seems to be just care about Taylor Swift. That's it. You know, Kansas City Chiefs, Taylor Swift, Kelsey and his girlfriend, and that's it. Like, now, with that being said, let's go on to the stock I want to talk about. In order to get to the IPO that I want to talk to you about, which is going to be a really great company in my personal opinion, we have to start first from where this IPO is born from. It's a spin-off. It's a spin-off from Tiptree Incorporation, ticker symbol TIPT, which is already trading on the market. This is a screenshot of a video that I did about ticker symbol TIPT. It was at $14.15, and I said that this is going to be one of the best long-term holds in my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong, but I was not wrong so far. That is because Tiptree Incorporation is now trading at $19.18, so it's up $5 a share since I made that video. The sponsor of this video, who is my Discord, myself, all right, it's Bull Market Watch. If you want to join my Bull Market Watch Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Here's some reasons why. Tiptree was one reason. The other one is, for example, ticker symbol CTVA, which I alerted yesterday at $45.48, guys, and CTVA is right now at $53.27. So if you want to join us, there's different level tiers, and it's priced very affordable so that everyone has a chance to take part in this trading community. All right, guys, so the IPO is Fortegra Group. So it's called the Fortegra Group, ticker symbol TFG. I'm very excited about this. I really like this company, and I'm super excited to buy this stock. The IPO range will be 15 to 18 US bucks. They're gonna offer 18 million shares. Does this mean that this is gonna be something very explosive? It's gonna go from 15 to 30 within 5-6 days? No, probably not. But it's a solid company, guys. And when the solid companies start to rise, by the time people figure them out and find them, then they look at them and say, gee, I wish I would have bought them last year when it was cheaper, right? They go in this sort of stealth mode. Like Tiptree was 14 bucks in my video. It's now at 19. People probably didn't even figure this out or pick up on. That's sort of what I expect from Fortegra. It's not going to be explosive. It's not going to be in your face. It's not going to be all over the news. It's not going to be the Reddit favorite stock, but it will be a solid stock. The company offers specialty insurance and product warranty insurance services to businesses and consumers in the US and Europe. They have very strong revenue, and I'll show you that in a little bit. It's a Florida-based company, like I said, was founded as a unit of Tiptree to cover the select lines of business insurance, as well as provide US and European consumer product warranty coverage for a range of electronic devices and furniture. Management is headed by CEO Richard Kalbach, who has been with the company since 2003. The company offers US business insurance lines, US warranty coverage, and Europe warranty coverage. They've received so far $235 million, primarily from Tiptree. One of the things that scares me about the fact that they have received so much investment from Tiptree is that most likely, maybe within the first 6 months of this being public, Tiptree might actually sell stock, right? That is a possibility. But over the long term, or over 1 year, I'm not talking about many years, but over the 1 year since it goes public, I believe that it's going to trade higher than the IPO price. That's just my opinion. So total revenue for 2021 was $984 million. 2022, it went to $1.2 billion. And for the first 9 months of 2023, $1.1 billion. The revenue is accelerating at a it's accelerating very fast. It's over 26% average that the revenue grows year over year. So I think that's very awesome. Revenue less losses and claims went in 2021 at $657 million. Then it goes to $796 million and $716 million 2023. And the margin is about 63%, right? So here's a better way of looking at this, right? So you can see the revenue here, 2020, 2021, 2022. Constant increase in revenue, very nice. Gross profit is also positive every single year. And you can look at the net income, positive, so that's very awesome. And we can also look at the total debt, which is just $211 million. If we look at the total debt, guys, it says $211 million, but the total liabilities is $3.3 billion. So this company has $443 million in cash. They have about $3.5 billion in total liabilities, and their free cash flow is positive $163 million. Valuation score is a 4 out of 5 for me, guys. This is just for me. I could be wrong. I can't be 100% right all the time, because if I was, I'd be the richest man in the history of this world, and nobody would ever in lifetime ever be as rich as me, right? So I'm not perfect, but I really like this. These are the sort of companies that I like to invest in. I like to put my money in companies that I don't really have to stress about, and just, you know, park my money there and stuff for a year, 2 years, or whatever, sometimes even longer. Take some FDVVs forever and ever. I like it a lot. That's gonna be that's part of my retirement portfolio. But with that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you have a good idea, please, if you have a good idea about how we can get people in the media to wake up to Intuitive Machines' historic mission, give me your ideas in the comment section below. I wish you guys all the best. Take care.